My name is Legion, for we are many. The immortal power that you seek does exist. It does indeed lie within the soul, but only within certain ones, certain dark souls.
My God, what are you that you can produce such things from thin air?
Merely an explorer, much like yourself.
If you were trying to keep a source of immortal cosmic power from falling into the hands of the ultimate in evil, would you leave that source of immortal cosmic power just lying around the place for the world and his wife to stumble across? All I ask is that you be careful, Mike. The power of the dark souls is very great and very, very evil, which is why you need to get them before anyone else.
Then I have no time to waste. This should be useful. Never have I experienced such hatred and corruption. The dark fire burns within me with such ferocity that I am afraid it may consume me. Damn, that's bad. Nothing else of use around here.